Hi, I'm Max with National Ramp. One of the most common questions we get asked is, what is the best material for my handicap ramp? Would it be wood, steel, or aluminum? And the answer is quite simple. In this short video, we're going to go over the pros and cons of each and explain which is the best for you. Now, being that wood is usually the common material people inquire about, let's start with that. Some advantages of a wood ramp include it being a natural building material, as well as being customizable. Now, let's look at some disadvantages. Not only does wood deteriorate rapidly over time and requires regular maintenance and upkeep, it is also very expensive to install. And in most cases, it is considered a permanent structure and may require a permit for the installation. Our second option would be a steel ramp. Some advantages to a steel ramp include it being a modular system, requiring no permit for installation. It is also a mesh surface with little holes to allow drainage for the rainfall and the snowfall. And it is available in a black color. Now, some of the disadvantages to a steel ramp include it being prone to deterioration and rusting over time. And it is also the second most expensive material after the wood material. This leads us to our final material, and yes, we did save the best for last. Here at National Ramp, we proudly believe that aluminum material ramps are the best material for any user. It is the most economical and cost-effective option of the three materials. And not only will the aluminum not deteriorate over time and require no maintenance, but it performs phenomenally in the inclement weather, that being the rain and the snowfall. Our aluminum ramps are also modular systems, meaning you have the flexibility to deconstruct it when and if it is no longer needed. We also have a very fast lead time for install, and it is available in a black powder coating. Not only do we offer our Liberty Series aluminum ramps in a high traction solid surface, but we also offer a very high traction mesh surface with our Breeze Series aluminum ramps. Give our ramp specialist a call at the number on your screen and we can have your ramp installed in just a few days. Don't delay, get your freedom now.